your subscribers, they'll tell you how can fix this problem. So here you can see it. Sorry, we couldn't share to Instagram stories. Try again later. So how you can fix it? So first thing, just try to close your Instagram and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the error, so just go to the settings and just check your internet connection. So just if you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, just open mobile data and or cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after, just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power the phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Instagram, and if you see here not open with update, just tap on update and wait until it was successful install the latest updates for your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.